ॐ असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्युर्मा अमृतं गमया ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. Dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll continue explaining the third sloka of second Brahmana within the first chapter of the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. You can watch the previous episode to recite, know the translation, and understand the initial interpretation of the sloka. Before we interpret further, I recommend you watch the previous episodes on the origin of the universe, cosmic meditation, and introduction to Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. You can also watch the series on the Isha Upanishad to unveil the secrets of self if you missed it. Links to those playlists and videos are given at the top right corner of the screen. In the previous episode, we learned that Biraj was the cosmic baby born from the cosmic embryo Hiranyagarbha. Here, Biraj is considered a living cosmic baby by the Rishi. Biraj further divided the body in three ways: the sun, the air, and Biraj itself as fire. Then we meditated on the different body parts of Biraj. Essentially, Biraj is none other than our universe. Through Biraj, we can see the interconnectedness of universe. All planets, moons, stars, and even us are working as a single body, and we are all interconnected. Hiranyagarbha is the manifestation of Brahman. As Viraj is born from Hiranyagarbha, Viraj is also manifestation of the same Brahman. Even the sun, air, and fire are manifestations of Brahman and represent the prana or vital energy. The sun is the source of energy. Without the sun, life cannot flourish on earth. Fire is a digestive fire that transforms solar energy into other forms of energy in the body. Air is essential for breathing and life. Now, let's see another aspect. If you observe carefully, you will find different events that can be related to scientific hypotheses available today. We already discussed the Big Bang Theory in the episode on the origin of the universe. In this shloka, the sun and the air were created from Biraj's body. We meditated on earth as Biraj's breast. Long story short, I can see the formation of the solar system in this shloka. Let us now understand the scientific model which can explain this event more accurately. The most widely accepted scientific theory for the formation of the solar system is the Nebular Hypothesis. This theory suggests that the solar system formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from a giant molecular cloud of gas and dust, known as the solar nebula. Here is a step-by-step outline of the process according to this theory. Collapse of the solar nebula. A nearby supernova or other event caused a disturbance in the solar nebula, leading to its gravitational collapse. As it collapsed, the cloud began to spin and flatten into a rotating disk, formation of the protostar. Most of the material in the nebula was pulled toward the center to form the protostar, which eventually became the sun. As the material accumulated, it heated up due to gravitational compression, and nuclear fusion reactions began, leading to the birth of the sun. Formation of planetesimals. In the surrounding disk, particles of dust and ice collided and stuck together, forming larger and larger bodies called planetesimals. These planetesimals ranged from a few kilometers to hundreds of kilometers in diameter. Accretion of protoplanets. Through a process called accretion, planetesimals continued to collide and merge, gradually forming larger bodies known as protoplanets. These protoplanets eventually became the planets, moons, and other objects in the solar system. Clearing of the solar nebula. The young sun's strong solar wind blew away the remaining gas and dust in the disk, leaving behind the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Differentiation and cooling. The planets underwent a process of differentiation, where heavier elements sank to the center and lighter elements rose to the surface. Over time, the planets cooled and developed stable crusts and atmospheres. The Nebular Hypothesis is supported by several lines of evidence, including the observation that most planets orbit the Sun in the same direction and in roughly the same plane, the presence of a protoplanetary disk around young stars observed in other parts of the galaxy, the composition and distribution of materials in the solar system, such as the rocky inner planets and gas giant outer planets. This theory provides a comprehensive explanation for the formation and structure of the solar system, and it continues to be refined as new observational data and theoretical models become available. In conclusion, as truth seekers, we need to be open to all hypotheses and choose the one supported by the most evidence. However, we must respect all the founders of these hypotheses because they tried to answer based on the available knowledge of their time. Their tireless efforts bring us closer to the truth. So, be respectful, but evidence-based and scientific. Philosophically, understand that we are not separate. We are part of this vast universe. We are tiny in comparison to the universe. So, set aside ego, embrace the truth, and play your role in coordination with others, just as the cosmic bodies play their roles. We should act as one earth rather than being divided by nations. Dear viewers, be with us in this journey of the Universal Vedanta Movement. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so you get notified when any new session or video is released. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, use the comment section. You may want to follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, X, and Co. Links and QR codes are given on the screen. Thank you and have a great day. See you soon in the next video.